Again, they are equation of two straight lines and then they are perpendicular to each other. It's because of the word perpendicular here. We know that if this is called L1, L2, since L1 perpendicular to L2, therefore we can draw conclusion slope 1 times slope 2 should equal to -1. In order to use this theory, that's why we are trying to find out the slope of first line, the slope of second line, and then we try to put here to find out some relation between A and B. Again, the easiest method to get the slope is change it to slope-intercept form. So we have -ax, +6 to right hand side. Beware that we should write down x term first, then divide both sides by 2. We have -a/2 times of x and then +3 here. We get ready that and then we know that m1, that means the slope 1, can be expressed to -a/2 here. So we are going to start about L2 here. 2x plus by is equal to 12. Basically, the calculations are exactly the same. -2x +12. Divide both sides by b. Therefore, we can draw the conclusion. The slope 2 is equal to -2/b. Now we are going to use the perpendicular relation to evaluate this finding. Multiply them, we will get -1, so we try to simplify it. 2 similar with 2, negative times negative give you positive, so a/b is equal to -1. A is equal to -b. We have the relation between A and B. Afterward, we are going to use the property that they intercept at x-axis. I draw randomly about m1 is because I'm not really sure about the slope, is that upward sloping or downward sloping. I just only know that the y-intercept here is 3. Similar reason, I'm going to draw L2 even though I don't not sure about the slope. But they say that they intersect at a point which is on x-axis, so they will intersect at this point. Therefore, I draw a line which passes through the point here. If we consider L1, when y is equal to 0, about this point we only know that y is equal to 0, but we don't know what is x, so we try to express it. L1 we have ax plus 2y equal to 6. When we consider y equal to 0, so ax equal to 6. And then x is equal to 6/a here. That's why the coordinate here I can express in terms of a is 6/a. At the same time, that means another line, the blue line, will fulfill this requirement. When x equals 6/a, then y is equal to 0. We know that when x is equal to 6/a, then y will equal to 0. So we substitute inside. 2 times 6/a plus b times 0 is equal to 12. So anything times 0 just give you 0. So that's why it is 12/a equal to 12. Handle that carefully. Sometimes it's not what you think. Divide both sides by 12, we get a equal to 1. Together with this, a is equal to -b, so we take it back here. -b is equal to 1. That's why finally b itself is equal to -1. We get the answer b here. Sometimes you may not know the direction directly, but if you find any information, you just try to use what you learn to evaluate it.